phrase we just found. And now
we're trying it again. Let's see if it can select the file. If this works, we'll have an automated YouTube agent that uploads videos for us. Okay, file chooser is open, supplying the video file. Let's see if it can supply the video file. I think it found the video file. It's moving. Let's see what's going to happen. I'm excited. Is this thing going to be able to do this? Oh, shit. What's going on now? All right. It's got the video uploaded. Oh, shit. It even filled in the description with emojis. It's a short description, but it filled in the description. I mean, it filled in the title. That's the title. I'm wrong. Let's see what it does for a description. Now set the description multi-line using... Ah, there it goes. There's the description. Bet. It even has hashtags. There's the thumbnail. Ha! It's working. What's it going to do next? Set required audience. Not made for kids and verified thumbnail took. This is amazing. I wonder what it's going to do next. Let's pause it and see. This is taking a while. All right, now I entered the tags. I don't know if it did those tags right. I guess it did. We'll see. Let's see, chips didn't form via X command. The components need real keystrokes. Let me inspect the actual DOM structure of the tags. Yeah, I didn't think it did those tags right. Yeah, you got to figure out how to do them tags right, man. You did them tags wrong. The field holds the raw text, but the chips bar needs real keystrokes, comma, splits. All right, it's going to try it again. Haha, there it goes. It figured it out. It figured it out. Man, this thing is good. It's good. So I guess once it gets this figured out the first time, it could just recreate it again the same way. Oh, man, this is amazing. All right, what we on next? 11 tags chip. Now set category, science and technology. Okay, category set. What's next? Details page. Everything's correct. Bam. I wonder what it's going to do here. All right. Everything has green checks. Advancing through wizard to visibility. And it's public. Okay. So I wonder if, okay, on the visibility, select public, then clicking publish. Yes. Video published. We did it, baby. We did it. Well, YouTuber agent did it. I didn't do it. It did it. And the video that we used was recorded on the Signcaster Pro desktop app. Man, this is amazing. Publish successfully. Close the shared dialogue and report the live link. Bam! Oh, man, there it is right there. It fucking did it. No thanks. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, let's stop the video. It worked.